Provides an extensible design that enables service prioritization for data. Network standard IEEE 802.11a B per gram N AC. Design that delivers high availability, scalability, and for maximum flexibility and price performance. Instant 802.11 AC Wi-Fi upgrade for your desktop PC. No more messy Ethernet cables needed. Next generation 802.11 AC chipset for super fast connections up to 867 megabits per second. Security 64-bit WEP, 128-bit WEP, WPA-PSK, WPA-PSK, WPS support. OS support Windows 8. 132-bit, 64-bit, Windows 8 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows 7 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows Vista 2-bit, 64-bit, Windows XP 32-bit, 64-bit. Instant 802.11 AC Wi-Fi upgrade for your desktop PC. No more messy Ethernet cables needed. Next generation 802.11 AC chipset for super fast connections up to 867 megabits per second. Selectable dual band 2. 4 GHz, 5 GHz operation. Backwards compatible with all existing devices. Broadcom Turbo QAM technology gives 33% faster 802.11n performance, with speeds up to 400 megabits per second. High power design reduces wireless dead zones with 150% greater coverage. Specially designed heatsink ensures stable and reliable continuous operation. Top reviews from the United States. Works and improved connectivity. These work really well, was really easy to install into my PC, and connects to my Wi-Fi without any issues. I noticed my connectivity, download-upload speed increased. Overall works as it should.